Hi my friends, I hope all of you are doing well. Today we will be doing the shaving cream rain science experiment. Get ready, here we go.
The materials you'll need for the science project are foaming shaving cream, a clear container, food coloring of any kind. This is a gel food coloring that I have at home, but you could use the drop food coloring. That would work just the same. Vinegar of any kind. I have apple cider at home, but if you have white cleaning vinegar, you can also use that. And a bowl of water. And last but not least, a straw. If you have a pipette or a turkey baster at home, that will also work. Anything to suck up the solution of the vinegar and food coloring will work. To start, mix a 1/4 cup of vinegar with your food coloring. If you have drop food coloring, it's 10 drops, and if you have gel, it's just a little bit. Next, you're going to carefully pour your water into your clear container. Next, we will be using the shaving cream. Give it a little shake and squirt the shaving cream over top of the entire container, like so. Now it's time to add your solution. Take your thumb and cover the top of your straw. It'll hold the solution. Remove your thumb and the solution will drop. When the cloud gets full, you'll be able to see your rain fall down. Today I used blue, but feel free to try other colors and mix to see what kind of raindrops you'll get.